Hello friends, I suppose you're familiar with this kind of fence. You can find them all over the world, and they're known as concrete fence panels or slabs. Basically, it consists of precast slabs that slide into slotted posts. The top slab can be finished with a cap, or it can include a decorative slab. Alternatively, the top part can have barbed wires from post to post through holes in the slots. Even if that barbed wire could stop rats entering your home, it looks ugly and doesn't stop the beams of light from the neighbor's spotlight, nor do they give you any privacy. That's why we are going to close that space with a decorative screen with some material we have available. Bamboo stalks. In any case, this is Asian bamboo, where the gum is hollow, light and flexible. It is not the Chilean bamboo or Coliwe, Chusquea Coliu, or the Kila, Chusquea Kila, which we might have to cut in strips because they have solid gums and are less flexible. If we have perfectly straight bamboo poles, we can create some beautiful screens. However, most bamboos rarely grow straight. If our poles are very curved, there are some things we can do to make sure that our screen ends up as uniform as possible. 1. We can flip the curved part every other pole around a central guide. 2. We can weave rope around the poles, one on top of the other, to ensure they stay in position, either tying them with a knot or just using a zigzag motion, a much easier option. Or 3, we can cut the poles in strips, weaving them around 3 or more vertical guides. As the target of this job is to block the light from spotlights using our minimum effort, I will tie the poles at their center using a purlin cord, the same cord used for making fishing nets. Another important issue we must be aware of is the diameter of the poles. On one hand, usually the poles are thicker on one end and slimmer on the other end. So it's a good idea to alternate thin, thick inside the slots of the fence posts. And, on the other hand, the diameter of the poles must be as close as possible to the width of the slots in the fence posts. Otherwise, we must place 1 or 2 wedges inside the slots to ensure we have one pole at each level. Well, that's it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe.
click on the bell, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.